Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, for this video I wanted to talk about three specific things exactly. One, what is going on in the cryptocurrency market. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, make sure to do your own research. Two, the Sandbox, the alpha season just came out. And three, a brand new NFT purchase. But before we get onto those topics, make sure to check out the Twitter, because I'm posting some bangers on there when I'm doing new NFT purchases and stuff like that, and stuff that's going on. And then sometimes memes every now and then. Currently right now, I don't know why, like I said, every time I record it's like a big dump. It's never a pump. Bitcoin just under $40,000, and we took a look at the chart right here. It's currently testing some support levels around the $40,000 range. But if we can maintain above a $41,000 level, at least that's what I'm seeing, I can still remain bullish in the kind of short medium term. But long term, we all know Bitcoin only goes up, right? It only goes up, right, guys? Come on, I put my entire life savings into this. Second thing I wanted to talk about is the Sandbox Alpha Season 2 is officially live. I've been waiting for this for so long, and I just can't wait to start. Haven't even set it up yet. But in the next video, I will do a breakdown of all the tutorials, anything you need to know about the Sandbox Metaverse, and how to navigate through the Metaverse in there. But yeah, basically right now what they got is a couple experiences opening that they're doing. Kind of like this step-by-step process. They got the Alpha Lobby, they got a Portal Hub, they got the Club XYZ, they got a rooftop, kind of like a LA mode, Parla, and then they got the Hidden Village right here. So it's been really all throughout the past 4 days. Yeah, this is basically what they got going on right now. Alpha Season 2, very excited for it. Like I said, next video will be a full actual gameplay footage, so you'll see some really cool stuff. Like, oh my, look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. If you guys were curious about the actual price of the Sandbox, it's currently around the $2.92, around just under the $3 range where it's currently at. So it's kind of at an average price right there. I would say that's support level around there, around 280. Not financial advice. The last thing I wanted to talk about was Cardano Crocs Club. I did want to mention this in a previous video, but like I said, I wanted to do my research, make sure everything's all good with this project, and they're doing really great things. I'll put a picture up on the screen of the roadmap. So they really got it kind of like handed down to like the next 15 years. Which is kind of long, but at least you know that the project's really looking for something that's long-term and sustainable. They got their own token that they're launching, the C4, whereas you can stake your own Crocs and then earn some C4 in return. And they just actually launched their radioactive Crocs Club mint, and those who were a holder of the Cardano's Crocs were able to mint the day before the public sale. So, as you know, I was going to join in the project anyway, so I might as well get in early. I ended up snooping one crocodile, as you can see right here. Very beautiful, ready for vacation. And I ended up, what I would say is the pretty rare looking one, if I do say so myself. So I really like this one. It's got like the laser eyes, got like the, green gems on the head, got pacifier for whatever reason, but I really like it. It's glowing radioactive energy, got this nice cool little cloak. But that's basically it for like the quick wrap up of what's been happening with crypto in the past week, new NFT purchase, and also the Sandbox being live right now. So if you guys haven't already, I suggest you doing your research and going onto the Sandbox, because it's something that's only available for a limited time. I'll pop it up on the screen on what dates they actually have it to and from. I believe it's only for this month only, but like I said, the screen will show the exact dates. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Once again, as always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and make sure to stay updated with any NFT news or crypto updates on my Twitter. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.